Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna discuss the battle screen and its design and architecture because I think we can do a lot of improvements and usually I just do a refactor video, but I think it could be fun to just for others to see how I do it and what I'm thinking about and yeah, just an easy going discussion about it. So for those that have seen the videos, you know that I'm going with some kind of face design, and that's because I see the battle as different phases. For example, you have the intro phase, and then you have the pick your attack phase, and then you have the actual attack phasing, and so on. So it's kind of like a chain of different phases. And yeah, but I want to start with just looking how we started with the phases. So it was actually done with at part 25. That was my first design, and then we saw that I had this base trainer intro, and it was pretty okay, but I think it had some problems. For example, yeah, we had this with faces, so it felt like it was faces inside a face, which I think it's weird. And I also think this one has a bit too much code. I like to keep the classes small and do mostly one or two things, or at least as little as possible. So yeah, I didn't like this, and then we went for another design. So in part 26, refactor it. Then we got 3 different classes instead of 1, and yeah, I think this one is a lot better. It's more streamlined and it's not a lot of code in the classes. They are small and good. But then we have some other problems instead. So as you can see, if we go to the latest video and check these different phases, a lot of times we are using stuff, sending in stuff that we doesn't need. So for example, this window queuer. In many phases we don't need to show a window, but as the next phase in the chain need it, we still have to send it again and again. And somehow I think we can find another way to do this. And I have a couple of different ideas for it. One is the simple that we send it together with the load content. So we look at stuff that usually that we usually send. So for example, the winner queuer. I guess the trainer is something that we're gonna send a lot of times. Except if it's just a regular battle, then we will just send some kind of Pokemon, I guess. But yeah, I think they will inherit from the same class or interface. So yeah, I think we can take some stuff out of here. So like the window cure and I think I would like to take the trainer out too. I think the trainer is Yeah, we start with the phase with an in trainer. Then I don't remember the next phase. Every trainers everywhere, I think. I guess so, as this it's called training phases, but yeah, I think we can just try to refactor this. See if we can. I mean, yeah. Yeah, look here. Here's a good example. Okay, opponent trainer first Pokemon phase. This is the last one that we made when we show the Pokeball and the Pokemon appear. But in this phase we don't show any window, so why should we have this one? It's just, yeah, I don't like it. It's not good. So yeah, let's see if we can fix this, make it a bit better. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new branch. I don't know what we should call it, but let's just call it improve battle screen. Yeah, can do it from master. Oh yeah, I'm stupid. We can't have spaces in branch names. There we go. So go here then. We're gonna check battle phases. Maybe we should even have a class like battle data or something like that. Try to collect it so we can combine it in some way. Let's go to the screen. If we call battles, no, screen, battle, there we go. So right now we are sitting in an I phase. Okay. Let's switch this out. Let's go for something else. Let's try this. So in this video we're gonna try a lot of stuff, and yeah, sometimes it maybe doesn't work and sometimes it works. We will see. So we're gonna try some, let's call it battle data. So yeah. Currently we only have the trainer, so let's do it like this. Let's call it opponent. Yeah. So we're gonna switch it out later. Something else. Clean up a bit. Oh, screen battle. So yeah. Is this good? What are we sending into the start phase? Start phase. Straight out. How do we get play? Yeah, oh well. Let's do it like this. Yeah, we just have the opponent. I guess we're gonna have the player here too. Player. let's create constructor for this. There we're gonna make both. We go. So when you start the screen, you're gonna have to say, like, I want this battle data. There we go. Yeah. Then we're gonna change the face. So we have a content loader. Then we're gonna battle data to. I don't really like this one too. Sorry. There is some. The problem with this is please feel like you know, when you have this initialization method that I don't like those, because it feels like, yeah, if you create an object you should be able to use it instantly, not sure. You should not have to call another method before you use it. And it feels like we're gonna just throw a lot of trash in here. I guess we can't get away from it. Now we have to do this. We have to do this. There is no other way. So yeah, there we go, and then we're gonna have this. No, I don't think we can create a view inside here. Can we? Let me do this one window. No, we want to edit. So create this one we want. There we go. Yeah, load content. I'm gonna send in another node here and battle date like that. I have to change this one too. Maybe we should put it on a separate method. Oh, whatever. It doesn't. I don't think it's ever a problem. I don't like when you like have the same call here twice. I usually like to put them in a separate method, and but that's just me, I guess. So yeah, here we go. Now we got a lot of errors, but that's no problem. I'm gonna change a couple of things here. Oh, that's the problem. There we go. So yeah, scale it up a bit, like that. Now we're gonna look at all these. So yeah, we're gonna change this one. Now it's instead window handler, and it's the start phase. And then we have the battle data. And yeah, let's just do it like this. Let's do the same trainer twice. Then I might change this so we don't need item keys. I think we actually can. No, that's good. Okay, just remove this one. I'm gonna have to look at this. I change this one. We're done. It's something we actually use. Yeah, in the trainer. So something like that. Yeah, it comes pretty long with. Now we don't need anything up here anymore. That's nice. Can short down the class a bit. Can remove this now. The train is bright, so we send it to another phase. I think that's fine. No problem. Let's actually do that. Yeah. Let's keep it like that. But why don't we like this one? Oh. How did that happen? I don't know. Yeah. Let's go to the next phase. Now we can remove the window queue here. We can add it here instead. Go. Now we just have some dummy data. We're probably gonna get this from the battle data later, but let's just stay it like this now. We still have a lot of things to do in general with the battle, so let's just. Is this one even used to be in a queue? No. See, it's so many that doesn't actually use the window queue, but it's. Yeah. Okay, this one. Message phase. Maybe I'm overdoing it a bit. I mean, with all the faces, it feels like, yeah, the faces are so small. So, do we actually do anything with status here? Yeah, we actually drawing them again. Yeah, we're gonna keep on drawing them, so that's okay. just a window queue that we can remove here. That this would be nice actually, because now we will have yeah, can we move this one? Oh, we cannot. Yeah, we actually have to check if the window is done too. So we're gonna have to keep it, move the read only, and then like that. So yeah, now we're going to the next one. We can remove this. So in the next phase, remove this. I don't think we use it. That's a lot. It feels like we. No, it's okay. I'm sorry if I'm thinking about a lot of if we are doing things the same thing many times, but it's just that we loop through the, like for example, stats and sprites. And, yeah. Need to add this here too. It feels like we don't use the battle data that much right now. But that's because we use a lot of dummy data too. I still think it's good to have this one here. It will, yeah, it will save us a lot later. Yeah, let's just keep it for now at least. So and then we can go to the next phase. I think we should be at the end now. Yeah, I don't need to do anymore. Yeah, this is the last one. So does not use it. Yeah, we don't need a trainer here. So we can remove that one. I think. We actually use the trainer at all now. Why does we can remove? So that's why we don't use the battle thing. Because we keep sending the trainer when we don't have to. Because we'll access in the battle data a bit later. Here we go. Play the trainer. Yeah. It should be. Then instead we should. Yeah, here we should go with component. Yeah. Actually, wait. Where was I? Here. Do we actually use this one? No, I can remove it. Yeah. Then we can go to the next again. Remove this one here. Yeah. Keeps sending the trainer that we don't actually use. Fixture name. There we go. I think this is better. I like this one. Now we don't send a lot of stuff with the constructor that we don't use. So let's just see if it works too. I don't think it should be any problem. We haven't done a lot. Let's see. Come on. So far, so good. Go. Yeah. Yeah, it actually works. I think this is better. We're gonna have to work with the trainer class later. So we have, yeah, it kind of have to inherit from something. I don't know, like, I don't know. We will see later. So in the battle data you can, it doesn't matter what you send. But yeah, I think this is better now. I like this. The constructor is a lot cleaner in all of the cases now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change this. This will be for another video. I hope you liked the video. It went a lot faster than I thought it will do. But yeah, I like this new design here. I think now we don't have a lot of stuff that we don't use. So yeah.